Hi, my name is Megan Hayes, and I work here at Viking Plastics in Corey, Pennsylvania as an administrative assistant in customer service.
I'm Lisa Piazza. I'm the Member Development Coordinator, and our problem was this closet.
So when I first started here, I was told to pick out a shirt and find one in my size, and there was a bunch of totes in the closet, 3 or 4 totes, and I said there has to be an easier way to do that. So I asked Lisa if we could get a coat rack, hang everything on the coat rack and size, so it'd make life easier for Lisa and any other employees that would like to have a shirt. So
We have our training manuals in the back, and they are already in our computer system, but we need to keep them anyway just in case we need a reference. And then we have books that employees can sign out with our sign-in sheet right here. And safety glasses, earplugs, and some other office supplies that we had scattered throughout the facility. Now everything's labeled, and any employee that wants to come in and do this, they're right there and they can get what they need.
So no more mess. We got a clean closet that you can see, walk into, walk out of. And my name is Megan Hayes, and that was my 2-second improvement.
Good job, Megan. I'm Lisa, and I helped her.